Okay, Alex, here we go. Here's our new plane. There's the propeller. I've got the remote control down here. I'm going to start the propeller. We're getting ready for blast off, take off. Here we go. Well, that was just pretend. I can't wait to do the real flight with you on Sunday. Charlie! Here's your tree, a little dark. Charlie, you want to say hi to Alex and Mommy? Hi, Mommy. Hi, Alex. Can't wait to see you. Now I'm walking in. You can see your train. Mommy, see how clean our bedroom is? Alex, there's the Polar Express, ready to go.